हेलो एवरीवन। नमस्कार। वेलकम टू थरो सक्सेस एकेडमी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लद्दाख रेड अरोरास इन जियोग्राफी। Why in news? The recent red auroras over Ladakh have raised concern as a visual warning of the sun increasing in stability. The red auroras were triggered by a powerful solar flare and a geomagnetic storm, which are clear indicators of heightened solar activity. This solar volatility is a serious concern as it could disrupt Earth's satellite networks, GPS systems, and power grids in the coming years, leading to significant technology disruption. Auroras. Auroras are beautiful natural light display that occurs near Earth magnetic poles, caused by the interaction of solar particle with Earth magnetic field and atmosphere. When these charged particles collide with gases in the atmosphere, such as oxygen and nitrogen, they release energy as light. The color of auroras depend on the type of gas and altitude of the collision. For instance, red auroras occur when solar particles hit oxygen at a high altitude of around 300 km above Earth's surface. Ladakh's high elevation and clear skies, which is also known as Hanley Dark Sky Reserve, make it a prime site for astronomy and rare auroral observations. Why is this significant? The significance of the red auroras over Ladakh lies in their indication for a more active and unstable sun. As solar activity increases, there is a greater risk of geomagnetic storms that can disrupt satellite communication, GPS, and power grids. These auroras are a reminder of the potential impacts on the modern technology and the importance of the monitoring solar weather to prevent disruption to critical infrastructure. Solar activity and space weather. Coronal mass ejection, which is CMEs. CMEs क्या है? Eruption from the sun that carry charged particle. Geomagnetic storm. Geomagnetic storm is disturbances in the Earth's magnetosphere caused by CMEs or solar wind. Stable auroral red arc SAR. Some red auroras arises as stable auroral red arc, which is a fixed band of red light during geomagnetic storm. SAR is a distinct phenomena which is different from classical dynamic polar auroras and important for space physics concept. UPSC prelims question will be asked like this. Consider the following statement regarding auroras. First statement. Auroras occurs when solar particles interact with Earth's atmosphere. Second, red auroras are caused by the solar particle hitting oxygen at high altitude. Which of the above statement is are correct? Option A, first only. Option B, second only. Option C, first and second both. And option D, neither one nor two. Second UPSC prelims question will be, consider the following statement about coronal mass ejection. First option is, it is a massive burst of plasma from the sun. Second, it can disrupt Earth's magnetic field. Third, it originates from Earth ionosphere. Which of the statement given above are correct? Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. As per UPSC Mains 2026 GS paper 3rd, recent observation of rare red auroras over Ladakh highlight the growing significance of space weather phenomena. Explain the scientific cause behind the such auroras and discuss their implications for us technological systems and specific preparedness. Thank you so much.